About SEOwriting.ai and is it any good for bloggers? So right here we're in the SEOwriting.ai dashboard, and you can see that there's actually a lot of cool stuff for bloggers. There's a one-click blog post, so lightning fast. You can get a whole blog post done that's 1,000, 2,000 words more. Then you can also do bulk article generation. So that is where you can get up to 100 articles in a batch created in draft form in one click. And you can even get all of this uploaded directly into WordPress if you want to. Now you can use just SEO writing AI by itself with its inbuilt, like ChatGPT 3, I think, function, but you can also get more words than even the price plan that you pay for. Plus, you can get access to different kind of AI models through your OpenAI key. Now, you'll get that key on the OpenAI website. That would be a different video, but just letting you know that that's possible. You can do a blog post. You can do product roundups, product reviews, simple editor. There's a how-to guide down here, and there's a product list workflow. There's actually a lot of features here that I really like for bloggers. And so my overall review is probably around a 4 out of 5, which I think is pretty good. I've tested this out. I've used it for article generation. I'm going to show you in just a moment how to create a one-click blog post here, lightning fast, as it says. But you can also do sort of a step-by-step approach, which gives you more control over exactly what you want in the blog post. I do like SEO Writing AI. If you want to have like a step-by-step guide, a tool that will hold your hand while you create your content on your niche website or any website that you want to write blog post for, then I do really like SEOwriting.ai. It's one of my favorite tools. Let's go in and let me show you how to do this one-click blog post. We're in this one-click blog post feature. You're just going to enter in the information. You want to enter in your main keyword, enter in your blog title or topic. You can choose the tone of voice. There's a lot of different choices here. You can choose your point of view. So what I like to do is do like the first person singular, but you can choose any of these ones that you want. Target country, mine would be the United States, but pick the one you want. And you can see the model that you want. This is a combination of 3.5 and 4. So that's pretty good, but you can also do these other models, but just know that it's going to use more words. So you can kind of test that out for yourself. Intense mode to each section beyond just the entire article. So you can add details. For example, if you want to add your contact information, if you want to write about a specific company's name, you can ask SEO Writer to add these details to the different sections of your article. Now you can also add images, which is pretty cool. Now, some of this will be available in the higher paid tiers, but you can do images, for example, 3 images or more. You can do different image styles, sizes. You can do a YouTube video, number of videos, layout options. So you can do a lot there. You can also write in your keywords that you want the SEO Writer tool to incorporate into your blog post, which I think is really cool. And you can mess around with the structure. You can say, do you want tables? Do you want quotes? Do you want italics, bold, key takeaways, list, FAQs? Do you want the SEO Writer AI to connect to the web to do like actual like browsing research for you? And I would say the more that you do all of these things, probably the better results you're going to get. And you can even say if you want to publish to WordPress or not. You can use your API key or not. If you say yes, it's going to ask you to connect that key to this SEO Writer tool. And then once you have all this figured out and filled in, then you just hit run. I filled this out, just sort of a tongue-in-cheek article about how to be a ninja, Ninja 101, how to be a ninja, real steps. I've chose the informational tone of voice. I want to do the extra small article, which is 600 to 1,200 words, but you can do all the way up to a very long article, depending on how many words you want to use. We're going to do extra small. I just wanted to keep this very basic, first person singular, United States. And I think that I have not clicked any of these, or at least most of these. We're going to go down here and not publish to WordPress, but you can do that, not connect to my API key. Let's hit run and see what happens. Okay, I had to do a little bit of a workaround there in SEO Writer. So what I did is I generated this content, and then I copied and pasted this into a Google Docs. So the formatting changed a little bit. This is not exactly how it looked with this big space and whatnot, but I think you can still see the way that the SEOwriter.ai created this was pretty good. So we got our headers, we have an introduction, key takeaways. I didn't do anything with this. This is all SEO Writer. We got some boldings. The paragraphs are pretty good. Got a quote in there. Again, different sections, small paragraphs, bullet points. This is all good. And we even have an FAQ section down here that's short. I think in total, let's see if we can get the word count. It's about 1,130 words. So that's just what I asked for, an extra small word count article. And again, you can create 2,000, 3,000, up to like 5,000 word articles. You can put in images and videos and a lot more with this tool. So if you are someone who wants to create bulk content, you want a tool that will walk you step by step, kind of hold your hand through the process of creating content, want a really good draft, or want to create lots of good drafts that then you can go in and edit before you publish, I think that SEOwriter.ai deserves at least a try. And I think you can get it for a free trial. Check out the link in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, but you can try it out for free. I have used SEOwriter.ai for some articles on my websites that are published that I edited, but I still mostly use ChatGPT. I have a Plus subscription. I still think with some custom prompts that I use that it gives me the best results that need the least amount of editing. But if you don't really want to mess around with coming up with your own custom prompts, you just want a tool that's going to mostly do it for you, then check out SEOwriter.ai. I think you might like it. So I always try to check out these new tools to see what works. Let me know in the comments if you like this tool, if you checked it out, if you tried it. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer. There's another video, though, coming up right now that I think you'll really like. Check that video out. And if you haven't yet, please like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.